Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the mess back there and my purse and stuff. I just wanted to do a what is in my carry-on bag. I am going to be traveling to Cancun with me, my fiance, and our daughter, and my side of the family as well. We're all going, and we're going to be there for 10 days. So I packed a carry-on for me. This is mine. I got this from Ross, and it's very, very packed. But before we get started on what is in my carry-on, please subscribe to my channel. And if you decide to end up liking this, then give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what are your must-haves for when you take a carry-on bag. Alright, if you would like to see what is in my carry-on, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is my backpack. I got this from Ross for $22. They still have the tags on. So when I purchased this bag, I originally was going to take my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, but then I just don't want it to get damaged over there. Like, it's a very expensive bag, and I don't have like the means to just purchase a bunch of them, so I really want to take care of that bag. And plus, it does have the Vachetta leather on it, so it's not treated leather, so it does start to patina over time, which patina means to change color. So it does start to change color over time, and I really don't want it to change color, so I try to take the best care I can of it. So yeah, that's why I'm not taking it to Mexico with us. Anyways, this is the bag I got. It has two front zippers and a button closure. First, I want to show you the first couple of things I am going to be taking in it that isn't in it right now because I need them until we go. So this is my makeup bag. This is my travel makeup bag. I got this from Sephora, and we'll take a look what's inside of here first. I have my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I got a brand new one. I just didn't want to take an old used one with me, so I just purchased a new one. Then I have my MAC bronzing powder. This just came out, so I was super happy to use it. So I brought it, and I also could use it as a compact mirror, so that's cool. Then I have my Tarte Pro Glow To Go palette. This has highlighter and bronzer, but I use it for highlighter only. Then I have my Mario Badescu facial spray, just to keep my face hydrated. My Bliss moisturizer. Oh my god, guys, I love this stuff. It's like, I would compare it to Clinique, honestly. Anyways, this is my favorite. My Better Than Sex mascara. This is literally all the makeup I'm going to be wearing over there. I'm probably not even going to, I don't even need mascara because I'm getting eyelash extensions before we go. So I'll probably leave that here. My Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. My IT Cosmetics CC cream. So I'm going to be carrying this all in my bag just because I don't want, if my luggage does get lost, this is a lot of expensive stuff that I don't want to get lost. So, and plus I need my makeup. Then my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. My Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick, and this is in the color Ashton. And my Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick, and this is in, I believe, Cool Girl. Yeah, Cool Girl. So that is going in my backpack, but I kind of need some of this stuff, so I'm going to not put it in yet until we leave, because, yeah. Okay, the next thing that I'm still currently using that I'll put in before I leave is my Louis Vuitton wristlet. I love this. This is going to be perfect just to hold and stuff when we're walking around because I don't want to be carrying a bag with me. Just seem pointless. So I'm going to be taking it. It looks like it has 3 pockets, one right here, one zip pocket, and then a back pocket. So we'll start with the first pocket. In this, I have my Morphe makeup case, but I do not have makeup brushes in it. I have my glasses cleaner for my glasses and a bunch of contacts. I'm going to be wearing. So then I have my Tangle Teaser brush. I got this from Ulta or Sephora. My Tide To Go pen. my Ray-Bans. I was going to take my Gucci sunglasses, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to take them, honestly. But these are my Ray-Ban sunglasses. My mom said they look like cop glasses, like police officer glasses, which they kind of do, but I like them. Oh, jeez. Oh, I was going to put them on for you, but I forgot I have glasses on. Then I have my anklet in here to wear when I wear my sandals. And my Aeropostale rings. I have my Tiffany & Co. glasses holder. It's for these glasses. It came with them, so yeah. I have my business card holder, so it's actually for my YouTube channel. I have business cards for them. So I was like, ooh, I could like leave these around and, you know, get some subscribers from over there. I have some extra gum. And then I have these super cute ponytails. So this one's black and then this one's cheetah print. So, yep. That's all I got in that one. And then the zip pockets, let's move on to that one. I have my power bank battery charger, portable charger. Let's see, sorry, there's like so much stuff. I have my GoPro in here. I cannot wait to use this. It's going to be so fun to put in the water and stuff. So I got that with me. I should probably put this in a case so the lens doesn't get scratched. Stuff out. I have my SD card. So my GoPro takes like a micro SD. So this is the adapter for it. I have my AirPods. I have like my GoPro pamphlet sheet. I have my GoPro tripod. This is just a hand tripod. I purchased it from Target for like $6. It's really ugly, but like I don't really want like a expensive one, you know. And then my GoPro charger and the tripod thing that sticks onto the tripod. If that makes any sense at all. Then I have our passports. So this one's my passport holder. It's just a Kate Spade one. And this is what it looks like. It just has card slots and then yeah. And this is Maddie's passport holder. I got this from TJ Maxx. And Josh didn't want a passport holder, so I just have ours. Okay, the last thing I have in here is my MacBook. So I'm going to be editing at the plane, on the plane or in the hotel if like I just want to have a relaxful day. So I'm bringing this so I could just edit some video. But that is all that is in my carry-on bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.